You can run highly capable language models completely on your own hardware, zero subscription fees, and every prompt stays safely on your machine. In this guide, we will install an open-source model, write a Python script to stream its responses in real time, and use a configuration file to define a custom character persona. To follow along, you need Python, a command terminal, and available hard drive space to store the model files. Moving the execution from a cloud provider to your own environment gives you full control over your data and usage limits. Start by downloading the Ollama installer for your operating system. Once installed, open your terminal and type Ollama to verify the service is active. Models are categorized by parameter count, the internal variables processing information. This determines required RAM. Running a 405 billion parameter model on a laptop will crash it. We'll use smaller, optimized models like Mistral. To download and run your first model, type Ollama run Mistral in your terminal. Ollama will download the necessary files and open a chat interface. When you enter a prompt, the text generates immediately. Because the processing happens on your local GPU or CPU, there is no network latency. You can exit the chat by typing /by. To manage your storage, use Ollama list to see installed models, or Ollama RM to delete them. By running the model locally, you have turned the LLM into a persistent utility that functions without an internet connection. In addition to the terminal interface, Ollama runs an HTTP server in the background. This makes your local models accessible to other software applications. The server operates on local port 11434, manually started with Ollama serve. You can communicate with this port using Python. By setting the stream parameter to true, your script receives and displays each word in real time. While you can write these requests manually, it is more efficient to use the official Ollama Python library to handle the communication logic. Install it with pip install Ollama. Next, in 4 lines of code, you can import the library, initialize the client, and generate a response from your local model. This API connection allows you to automate tasks and integrate AI-driven logic into your own custom software projects. To change how a model behaves permanently, you use a configuration file called a Modelfile. Create a new file and name it exactly Modelfile. Ensure that it does not have a file extension like .txt. Use the from command to specify your base model, such as from Llama 3.2. Adjust the parameter temperature to control creativity. Lower values stay predictable, while higher values allow varied responses. The system instruction defines core logic, letting you set specific rules or a character persona for every chat. After saving your file, run Ollama create, followed by a name for your new persona. You can then launch it with the run command to verify it adopts the rules you defined. The model file establishes the operational baseline for the model, ensuring it serves a specific functional role for your application. You now have a complete local AI architecture, models running on your hardware, a Python API for integration, and custom personas for specific tasks. Since the system uses a standard HTTP port, you can connect these models to any programming language or tool capable of sending web requests. This enables you to build private document analysis tools, intelligent automation scripts, and local chat applications that function entirely on your own network. By hosting these models yourself, you have eliminated third-party subscriptions and data privacy concerns. You now have a functional, private AI environment ready for your next project.